Okay, on this section, we're going to be talking about the three-fifths compromise. Now, when I talked about the modern Congress being set up, one of the things I mentioned is the House of Representatives goes by population. And the South saw an opportunity to take advantage of it. Okay, what they said was, we want more representation. So what they want to do is count their slaves as part of the population. That way, more population, more representation. But at the same time, the North was upset about that because they said, hey, we don't have any slaves, or if we do, they're mostly servants. And we have very few slaves because after the American Revolution, we let a lot of them go or we sold them to the South. And by the way, you don't even treat them like people. So why should you count them as part of the population? And this is a very big stumbling block right there. So, of course, they're going to be reaching a compromise. And that compromise is known as the three-fifths compromise. Okay, so let's look at the image on the left. If you notice, you have five white men and you have five black men. And let's say these are millions. You have 5 million white men that are eligible to vote. So 5 million white men are going to vote or be counted as part of the population. In the bottom, you see black men, and they cannot vote, but they can be counted as part of the population. Just like up here, you have 5 million men, you have 5 million black men. And when you count the black men, uh, every 5 million, you're only going to count 3 million. So that's the compromise that they're going to reach. So, what does the South get out of this? Number one, their blacks are counted as part of the population, and that counts towards number one, more taxes, and number two, they're going to be getting more representation. But the North had to be satisfied with this compromise. But look what they get. The North is going to be getting the importation of slaves will end in 20 years. Keep in mind that the uh, U.S. Constitution will be ratified and put in place in 1788. So it's in 1808 that the importation of slaves will end. Now, don't confuse that with the idea of ending slavery. It only means the importation of slaves. And of course, the importation is not going to end. It's, even up to the Civil War, you had some blacks or slaves that were brought in. Okay, and that's the end of this three-fifths compromise. Thank you very much.